Hello, assalamualikum. मैं हूँ दानिश खान and welcome to DanishVlogsster. Good morning to the best family on my YouTube channel. What's up, guys? It's your boy Danish Khan. और मौसम का हाल क्या बताएं, आज तो मौसम ज़बरदस्त है and it's a nice weather, mashallah. And just, woke up not long ago. I had my cup of tea, had my breakfast as usual, what we always do. And you know what? The plan for today, the vlog is all going to be about today cleaning. Usually, your fridge gets really dirty. So my plan is to strip the whole fridge down, meaning like take everything out from the fridge. And उसके बाद जी मैंने करनी है फ्रिज की सफाई धुलाई और धुलाई करनी है तो सफाई करनी है जी, ठीक है, क्योंकि fridge we normally do on a regular base, on a month, especially once in a month, we clean the whole fridge out properly to make sure that all the dirt and sometimes sticky stuff. And so yeah, guys, you know what, let's not delay because it's nice weather and I want to spend some time with my little one as well. Like, we cleaned the garden not long ago, a few days ago. So yeah, so the plan is to spend some time with him in the garden today. ये देखें जी, आज बनाएंगे जी lemonade. So the weather's nice outside and as I was playing with my son outside, I decided let's have some lemonade. Nimbu Pani जी, Nimbu Pani. तो ये जो है कुछ पुदीना लाए थे, हमारे गार्डन में तो नहीं वैसे. साथ में हम बनाएंगे, we're gonna make sandwich so we can have it outside in the garden. Tuna corn sandwich. So tuna corn mix हो गया है और साथ में हमने डाला है salt. We've added some salt in there. Oh, mayonnaise. Making lemonade, so I'm gonna add some lemons in there. There you go. Some mint, pudina. I haven't got the 7-Up. I'm gonna add some sugar syrup and some water. And my lemonade, it's done. So guys, in the garden having my lunch, and like I said, got my lemonade, and then look at the sandwich, guys. That's what you want. So I'm gonna have this now. Basically what I want to do, I want to make sure I eat it quickly. जल्दी से खा लूँ, इससे अच्छा वो बर्ड शर्ट ना आ जाए, वो उड़ा कर ले जाएंगे इसको. Gonna add some crisps as well. Lemonade. Nice, refreshing. तो आप लोग को वेदर दिखाता हूँ. ये देखिए कितना अच्छा वेदर है, माशाल्लाह. So I'm gonna have my lunch and I'm gonna catch up with you guys later on. ये फ्रिज है, ठीक है, गंद शंद होना है. I'm not gonna show you much around here, but yeah, we're gonna clean the whole fridge out, inshallah, and then once it's all clean, put the stuff back on. And yeah, you'll see it in a bit. So guys, mashallah, the fridge is nice and clean, as you can see. Yeah, what a great job, Danish. So clean it all up, make sure it's nice and clean, clean all the shelves, and job's a good one. ठंडा ठंडा फ्रिज, हाँ जी, तो जी हमारा फ्रिज हो गया साफ. So my fridge is nice and clean. As you can see, I got all my stuff in there. It looks a bit empty, because I need to go and do some grocery shopping. As you know, you gotta do a weekly shopping as well. So yeah, guys, it's too hot, so I thought I'm just gonna stand by the in the fridge, put my head down, and get some nice, fresh, cool air. Anyways, guys, mashallah, fridge is all nice and clean now. So let's close this. So hope you enjoyed it. I mean, like I said, it was like a quick thing. I'm gonna head down to grab some groceries now, and to be honest, when I come back, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because like half of the day is almost gone. It's almost 5 o'clock now. So you know what, guys, I think I'm gonna leave you guys to it, and I'm gonna finish my vlog here for today. And all I'm gonna say for now is take care and Khudafis.